What's up, Garden Gang? This is Tasha J, and today we're going to be completely doing my backyard patio. This is part 2 on the first part of me going to Home Depot and getting the ladder trellis. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to recreate my whole patio with using the trellis. So first things first, I'm going to be pressure washing my patio first and getting this area all cleaned out. Then I'm going to completely transform everything, and I'll show you all the process. So stay tuned. First, we're going to move all the plants from this side over there so I can start pressure washing this area. I want to give a quick shout out to these plant caddies. I will leave the link below. They're amazing with moving the plants around, as you can see. They're amazing with moving, getting the plants out of the way, and just moving them where you need them to go. I love them. So I'll leave a link with these below. So we're going to start here with moving everything out the way. It's not really getting it clean. This green one, not getting it clean. And the one they said is the best, it's not really working. It's not getting it clean either. one thing I don't like about this is down here leaks of water, and it just don't stop leaking. That's one default about this product. The bottom down here, it just leaks out water. Even after you turned off the water, it still leaks, I guess, of the fluid left. Hopefully they'll fix that. Also, I don't know if the soap nozzle is effective, but this how the short black nozzle comes out. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to, or I received a defective product, but this is the short black nozzle. And here's the pretty much final results of how clean I was able to get it. It's not as clean as I would have hoped, but I guess it's okay. All right.